Welcome to Stubbs Park, city of Centerville, and right beside Earl Miller's Monkey House, built in 1925. Amphitheater straight ahead. They got a Veterans Memorial to the left. We'll have to go look at that. I'm just curious to see what all's happened here. Parking. Up there should be where the amphitheater is. It's a lot of ways to walk. And then they used to have bigger concerts down in there and different stuff. Alright. This looks like new parking. They got a Centerville thing. So you can see the amphitheater over there. I got a lot of new stairs. A lot of new stuff. Let's just go take a look. See what we see. Okay, it's been a while since I've been over here to see a concert, so I don't rightly remember what all the parking area looked like and stuff, but it looks like it's been expanded quite a bit. Maybe all new railing here. For the water, looks like some decent areas. They've dropped some orange chairs there. That's kind of cool. I know they have a MJ type band tomorrow. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna make it there. Definitely got some handicap ramping going up there. Some chairs. Got one of them cool signs over here. I think it says Centerville. Let's find out. Look at that, it's 4 layers. That's pretty cool. It's neat, so you see it from different angles. Depending on the angles, you get that. I said the 4 layers is kind of cool. So they have many of the orange chairs here bolted in, but little places to chill out. Not bad. That appears to be a concession stand. I would imagine for big events or whatever. Maybe it's open tomorrow. I said they have a Michael Jackson imitator tomorrow, or tribute band, or however you want to say it. This place will be super packed. I do plan out for coming some of the concerts. I just ain't gonna be able to make out one. Looks like they have quite a bit more hardscape here than what they had. Room for a lot more chairs, a lot more wheelchairs, a lot more accessibility down here on the ground level. Yeah, definitely. I do have pictures from the past. I think this is a massive improvement. Appears to be stairs on each side, and I know that's a wheelchair access back there. To get a little higher, I'm not sure. Maybe just to help or to have. So as I'm scanning to the left of the stage, I see something over there. I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna walk to it. Nice uplighting for the flag right there. Most likely solar powered. May not be. And it talks something about a veterans thing or whatever. I don't know if this is it or not. I didn't pull in at that area. Oh, that definitely. Oh, firefighters. I wonder if they have something for each different one. Well, this is the one I see today, and we're just going to go and check this one out right now. I'm not trying to do an extensive walk around. Oh, these bricks appear to be pretty old, so this has most likely been here a long time. I just ain't noticed, but this isn't my home area. But Stubbs Park isn't very far away. It's Centerville. It's a local area. Well, that's running. Not sure. But look at that. That looks cool. Very cool. Miami Valley counties. Major donors. And Miami Valley Firefighter EMS Memorial. So, I just now realized I thought it was some reflection in there, but it's not. It goes through to back there. That is pretty daggone neat. I wonder if it is, I think it's the exact cutout, just moved back there. Has to be. Looks like it. Very good. Let's take a quick look at the memorial for people. Take some pictures of it too. Videos. Yeah, I bet. That goes back to 1857 on that side. This goes back to 1891 over here. Okay, yeah, we're going to take pictures of all this and we'll include them so you can get a better view. Of course, I want to take pictures as the sun is falling right there, which is the absolute worst position for it, but we'll make do. Here we are from behind. Oh, that's thick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. Is it 4 layers in here? It is 4 layers. Wow. Okay, that's substantial. Looks like birdies have been here hanging out. No surprise. Alright, let's walk back up and get a top view of or a little more upper view of the amphitheater. Okay, here's the back of it. I'm not sure I don't think it was fenced in like this. We appear to have some AC units going to the side, some security. They have an ice machine back here. Who knows? Maybe they have ice for... I'm not sure why it would be here. To sell? For vendors, it's a massive one. All this is new though. This appears to be new tiling as well. Okay, this cement stayed the same. They might have patched it up a little, but every bit of that appears to be brand new and redone. So they have 2 doors to come out of. Appears they have AC now. Look how high up that goes. Performers here, and your music bounces out there for sure. Okay, So it used to be in the middle, but that extends out there a little bit, which is fine. Don't have to be right in front of it. That extends over there. Cool. So I noticed that they have the lighting. It's probably multicolors, I'm sure. So all this will be lit up. Nice. Yeah, I was gonna say I have to have multiple plugs for the band to plug into, and they do. I see them all along the wall, and plus on each side. Plenty. Alright, let's head up a little bit and try to get a picture if the sun isn't blocking. That's cool. So there's people walking. You can get an idea for perspective. It's a very big area up there. They appear to be walking on a flat area. Maybe there's a whole flat section up there for wheelchairs at that level as well, that don't want to be down close. You know, the music is loud. We'll make it enjoyable for everyone. Yeah, this is cool. I can deal with this ramp. I don't recall that building being there. With that said, might be wrong because I see like some rust coming from one of the water lines there. I redid landscaping, repainted or something, repurposed. And it's been there the whole time, or else it's new. Don't really know. So we're walking up. So people can bring their blankets, their lawn chairs and stuff, and yeah. So it's a gradual incline. People can sit all over this area, and they do, and have, and can. It's definitely can hold quite a bit more people here than what parking would suggest out there. I know people will park way down there. And I've been to some events where they take over that field and had people park on the field. I don't know if they're still going to do that though. Okay, this is a great sidewalk. Look at this. I mean, people can sit, they can maneuver around. It's a decent way to get up and down to both without having to traverse all the way down. With my couple down there, whoever they are, young couple, you can see the perspective of just how big it is from up here. So I don't know what this little section is. I'm going to assume this would be a sound section for sound checks and stuff. Makes sense. Electrical. They have access to that little keyhole there. Otherwise it would not make sense. Then this could just be a big giant electrical area that they have to have access to. Maybe people just sit here too. Come back up here, go down the stairs, and see if we see anything else. You know what? I'm pretty close to the top. You know I love hills. Sit to the top and see what type of view we got. We're in the very top since I'm here. So I do plan on coming out for several of the concerts here that don't overlap in Miamisburg. Or if I just want to come out here and override it, But I want to do the recording now to get a feel. Then we'll look at other areas later in the park. This is just around the amphitheater where they've did quite a bit of work. Yeah, I was thinking we would see the field a lot better. So they have that blocked where cars can't go through. I don't know if it opened up to the other side, if they did it for massive events. I recall them doing that. I don't know if that's still a thing or not. To be fair, I'd be parking down where my son lives and just walk down here. I'm not one to just sit for concerts, I'm one to move around. So if I come, I doubt I'll bring any sort of chair. Just something extra to tug that I don't need. I've got some pictures. We'll incorporate them in. This isn't a very long one. Put the pictures at the end in a slideshow. Be sure to stick around. Well, they've definitely did all kinds of improvements. And it looks great. A lot of towns and cities are putting a lot of money into their area, which is perfect because that will bring people in. Oh, now surely the whole thing ain't a restroom. I see there's restrooms on the back here. I imagine they'll bring some porta potties in here somewhere if they have a concert tomorrow, because them two will not cut it. All these rails, by the way, feel nice and smooth. Feels so good going down. It's not all jaggedy or rough or anything. Nice. Yeah. Well, we got the facilities on this side. I still want to say the other side looks like it can be a concession stand. There must be doors on the side somewhere. Yeah, there they are. Looks like the bathrooms go back pretty far. It could go back pretty far, and then there's that little section right there be for concessions, for small little things. Okay, that makes a kind of sense. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the new Stubbs Park. Tomorrow night they have their first concert, and if you like this video and want to see more videos from around Miamisburg, around our area, music, events, activities, upgrades, places, subscribe. You can also like and comment and share. Hope to see you for the next video, and have a great one.